The Fox 44 weather forecast with Weather Rate certified meteorologist Emily Kaye.
Good Thursday evening, everyone. We've made it almost to the end of the work week, and at least the weather is nice out there. If we take a look outside right now here on our Syntex Seamless Gutter Sky Tracker, we have almost mostly clear skies, a few clouds out there, but plenty of sunshine for us this evening. However, by the time we get into tomorrow, we'll see an increase in cloud cover. If we take a look at the live radar right now, no rain for us in central Texas, so a lot of us staying pretty dry, maybe a few showers and storms down in the Brazos Valley, but we do have a lot of showers and storms off to our east, and that is because of Hurricane Delta starting to make its way closer to land, and there is a tropical storm warning down in parts of Houston. So we are seeing some of those showers and storms moving through. We'll see more of those showers and storms moving through as we head into tomorrow. We'll talk about that in just a second, but for right now, temperatures in the mid-80s out there. It's a little warm. 85 degrees right now in Waco, 84 degrees down in Temple, 85 degrees down near College Station, and then out in Gatesville, 84 degrees. It's warm, it's a little muggy out there, and as we head throughout the rest of the night, we won't fall down too much farther, only falling down into the 60s by later on this evening. Winds starting to come in from the south and from the east, about 5 to 10 miles per hour, and those easterly and southerly winds are going to make it feel a lot muggier out there, pushing in that tropical moisture into parts of central Texas, making it more humid, making it more uncomfortable, making those temperatures feel even warmer than they actually are out there. And that is because of Hurricane Delta out in the Gulf. It is now a Category 3 hurricane. According to the 5 p.m. update, winds 115 miles per hour as it heads off towards the coast. The latest updated track still has it going towards parts of Louisiana and making landfall in Louisiana late Friday afternoon and early Friday evening, and then continuing on into parts of Mississippi and then eventually into Tennessee, where it will be an upper level low. But here in central Texas, most of us not really seeing any of those impacts. So as we head throughout the rest of the night, again, the best chance of seeing any of those outer bands will be down in the Brazos Valley. And as we head into later this evening, temperatures falling down into the 70s will really start to dry out, and we'll still see partly cloudy skies, eventually turning into mostly cloudy skies as we head into tomorrow morning. Now, as we wake up tomorrow morning, mostly cloudy skies, temperatures only in the upper 60s and lower 70s out there. A few scattered showers starting to move into the Brazos Valley, but really most of us only having a 20 to 30% chance of seeing those hit or miss showers by tomorrow afternoon. And temperatures only getting into the lower 80s, but like I was saying, it's going to be very, very humid out there, so it's going to feel even warmer. And we do have Hurricane Delta making its way into the coast, so we'll step over here so you guys can see where those showers and storms are coming from, because usually our weather makers come in from the west, but because we have Hurricane Delta coming in, most of our showers and storms will be coming in from the east. The temperature is getting into the 70s by afternoon or by Saturday evening, and then as we head into Saturday morning, there we go, temperatures into the mid-60s. Now we're going to dry out by Saturday morning. Hurricane Delta has already made landfall by now. It's starting to move through Louisiana, and we're starting to dry out. Temperatures in the mid-60s, eventually warming back up into the 70s and lower 80s. Now your weekend is looking very, very warm. We're going to get into the mid-80s by your Friday, but as we head into Saturday afternoon, look at what we're going to see. Temperatures getting into the mid-80s, eventually into the lower 90s, and that's much warmer than what we usually see for this time of year. Overnight tonight, though, temperatures only in the 60s. 66 degrees, mostly cloudy skies, very humid. Tomorrow, highs getting back into the mid-80s, still very humid, that 20% chance of isolated showers and storms that I was talking about because of Hurricane Delta. Mostly cloudy skies for pretty much everybody across central Texas. Now for the next 10 days, that 20% chance of rain on Friday is your best chance of rain for pretty much this entire 10-day forecast, brought to you by Lockridge Priest. Temperatures getting into the 90s on Saturday, and we have a record-breaking possibility on Sunday. Temperatures in the mid to upper 90s. The record is about 97, 98 degrees here in central Texas. We might get to 96 degrees on Sunday. Could possibly even break that record. What is fall? We'll ask ourselves that on Sunday. But by the time we get into Tuesday, we'll fall back down into the mid-80s, right where we're supposed to be. And then another cold front comes through, dropping us back down into the 70s. But again, Friday, your best chance of rain. Sunday, record-breaking temperatures. And then it's just plain old fall weather by the time we get into Wednesday. That's going to be the same thing for that 10-day forecast for Bryan College Station. There it is. Temperatures getting into the 80s. That 30% chance of rain on Friday. Isolated showers and storms because of Hurricane Delta. Getting back into the 90s. Not quite a record breaker for Bryan College Station on Sunday, but still pretty warm, lower 90s. And then we fall back down into the mid-80s by next week, Adam. So we're warming back up there.